Hello and welcome back. I'm here again. And I have get a little thing from Wish today. And it was free. I order for over 19 euro and I get the gift. I can choose many things, but I chose a car charger. So let's take a look and make an unboxing. This is really what color I want, and it's 1 amp and 2.1 amp. So very tiny. And I hope it works. I will test it in the future, so you can look on that. A very fast unboxing movie. And big thanks for watching and welcome back. And have a very nice day or evening. Bye bye.